Hey, Gary here with you. The potential for printables, to create printables, simple sheets that you sell that people print out, always or never ceases to amaze me. The ability to think that you could just create this simple sheet that people are going to print out and make money from it, as well as the ability, even if you're brand new and you're getting started, or if you are already a seasoned, let's say, low content publisher over on Amazon, you can take the skills that you have and the tools that you use to make these printables. So let's take a closer look at printables to sell, and let's dive into what printables to make, where to sell printables, and printable tools or simple tools to make printables. So printables that we can make. We're talking about calendars, planners, trackers, worksheets, and the ones that I showed you at the beginning of this video, games, are probably some of my favorite, because they are really super simple to make and they're fun to make as well. So in this video, we're going to deep dive into games, printable games, and where to sell printables. So of course we know about Etsy, Inspired Fun, and your own website. So if we go over to Etsy and look at baby showers, you can see that these are the types of games that are easy to create. And I'm going to show you a simple tool to make it even easier towards the end of this video. Inspired Fun, baby shower games. Again, the same idea here. Anywhere from $4.99 up to $12.99 for different levels or different amounts of printables inside of a specific pack. Then, of course, something like this site here, personalizedbabies.com. You can see here they're selling these printables on their own website where you simply add to cart. And then they have a checkout system or a cart system built into their website. Now that we've looked at games and where to sell some of these printables, let's dive into some simple tools to actually create these printables. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Canva, of course, and something called Crispy Prints that you may or may not have seen here on the channel. Of course, Canva is the tool that we all know and love. Crispy Prints comes with tons of training to teach you how to sell and how to use this tool to make printables to sell by simply watching the training that's provided here, or simply coming over and going to something like the birthday bundle and simply following the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. The first step inside of Crispy Prints is to grab the template, and here we are grabbing the background template, which is simply the template that we're going to take and we're going to put into Canva. You can see here in Canva, I've loaded that template, and then I've added my own image, and I've dropped that image into the theme character, or where the template is telling me to put the theme character. And then I get rid of the template and just leave the character so the character is positioned correctly. Also using that same template here to create a different type of theme, in this case for a baby shower or games for a baby shower, then remove the template, pop back over into Crispy Prints. In this case, we are doing birthday prints. Click here to upload an image. That image is going to be the template where we put the unicorn. We're simply going to grab a different color. We'll go for something like a purple. We'll select all of them and we will simply click Create Bundle. You'll get some important information here. What's going to happen is this is going to work in the background. It's going to create these pages for you. These pages are then simply going to be inside of a PDF, and then you simply sell that PDF as a printable, and then people download them and they print them. And again, this is why I love the concept of printables, especially if you have already started in the world of Amazon KDP and making low content and no content books and creating games and things like this, because you can take a printable and you can move to the level of creating color or adding and being creative by making these products that people are going to buy and then print out on their own printer, versus getting involved in the printing cost and trying to figure out how to compete over on Amazon KDP with primarily black and white books, or moving over into books and figuring out the number of pages that you can actually print in color when you're talking about Amazon KDP and calculating the printing cost and how much you're going to make in royalties. That's why I like, and I'm taking a look and deep diving into printables and showing you where, how, and the tools to create them. So when Crispy Prints finishes processing these printables, you can see here that you have the printables that you simply download. This is a PDF. You just save this and you upload it to the site, either Etsy or Inspired Fun or your own website, and you simply sell these printables. And you can see this is the exact same process. When you go back to birthday prints or when you go back to Crispy Prints, you can actually do pin busters, shower bundles, busy book bundle, certificate prints, Bible prints, Easter prints, birthday prints. Again, the shower bundle would be where we would actually follow step 1, step 2, step 3, And here again, you just grab your templates, your background templates, move them into Canva. Go ahead, click upload to upload the image that you create. Then when you upload that image, you simply just grab another color. Again, you could probably go with a pink if you're doing a girl, or, a blue if you're doing a boy. And then you simply select the games that you want. In this example, let's just say that we want a crossword or nursery rhymes. So we'll just say a crossword and nursery rhymes, and we will select create bundle. You'll get this message again. The thing is, this has to process in the background because honestly, it's doing all the work for you. Just like I said, just like you're going to see here in a few seconds. When that finishes, these sheets that you're going to sell simply print out or creates a PDF for the end user, the person you're selling these to. The person that needs these printables for their birthday games or for their shower games are going to print out, and you're going to make money by simply creating these, being a little creative, adding some of your own flair to the printables that you'll sell. Again, Etsy inspired fun or on your own website. Back inside of Crispy Prints, here's the output: baby shower, a crossword, of course the template we created over in Canva, as well as the baby nursery rhyme here, ready to sell this PDF for a person to buy and print out. So again, we looked at simple tools for printables. We looked at Crispy Prints, Canva. We also looked at where to sell printables: Etsy, inspired fun, your own website. Also, the different types of printables that you should probably make or think about making because they always sell really well: calendars, planners, trackers, worksheets, and of course my favorite games, just like the ones I showed you right here that we created in Crispy Prints, and I just printed them out on my own printer, just like the people that will buy these and print them out at home to use them for the games or the baby showers that they're either holding or participating in. Again, tons of potential and the beauty of creating printables because it is super simple. If this video helped you at all, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about printables, and I'll talk to you later.